In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an eBay best offer, a valuable tool for negotiating a better price on the items you want. As we journey through this process, I'll not only guide you on the steps to take, but also offer insights and tips to make the most out of your eBay shopping experience. Let's start by logging into your eBay account. This is your gateway to accessing millions of products and unleashing the power of purchasing. Make sure your credentials are up to date and secure, ensuring you have a smooth and safe sign-in experience. Once logged in, navigate to the eBay listing page for the item you're interested in. This is where the magic really begins. Browse carefully and thoughtfully, as finding the exact item you desire at the price you're willing to pay is crucial. Now, if the seller has enabled the best offer feature, you'll spot a make offer button just below the buy it now button. This indicates that the seller is open to negotiations and potentially willing to sell the item at a lower price. Clicking this button is your next step, paving the way for an opportunity to propose a price you're comfortable with. As you click that Make Offer button, take a thoughtful pause to enter the price you're willing to pay. Consider factors like the item's condition, its demand and availability, and your budget. Remember, the key here is to be realistic and considerate. Now that you've entered your desired price, the next important step is to carefully review your offer. Double check the numbers to avoid any errors, and consider adding a personal touch with an optional message to the seller. Sometimes a friendly approach can make all the difference and sway the seller in your favor. Once you've ensured everything is in order, go ahead and confirm your offer. Now, patience becomes your ally. The seller has 96 hours to respond, which might seem long, but it's a reasonable time frame to make a well-considered decision. During this period, the seller has the option to accept, decline, or even counter your offer, keeping the negotiation door open. Stay alert by keeping an eye on your eBay notifications and your email for any updates regarding your offer. Prompt responses can be crucial in the fast-paced world of online buying. Finally, if your offer is accepted, you're in the home stretch. You can then proceed to make payment through eBay's secure payment processes, ensuring your transaction is completed with ease and confidence. And there you have it, a guide to making the best offer on eBay, offering you both the opportunity to save money and the thrill of a good bargain.